round and neat, rolling fast on little feet. No corners, no sides, just one big loop, like a ball, a wheel, or a hula hoop. I'm a square with four sides the same, like a picture frame in a lovely game. Boxy and bold, I sit so proud. In building blocks or signs I'm found. I'm a triangle, sharp and bright. Three sides make me just right, like a slice of yummy pie, or a roof up in the sky. I'm a rectangle, long and wide, too short, too long on either side. Doors and books, you see my face, and so many things around this place. I'm an oval, stretched out round like an egg on the ground. I wobble a bit, but that's okay. I'm fun and special in every way. I'm a star, I shine so bright, twinkling in the sky at night. With 5 points, I light the way and help you dream the night away. I'm a heart full of love and cheer, hugging friends and holding dear. I say I love you without a sound, and hugs and kisses all around.